I'm Tony Woods from Garden Club London, and I'm really excited to be here at the Grillo Studio today. Hi, I'm Tony Woods. I'm a garden designer and horticulturist, and often we are asked by our clients for different types of herbs. I'm going to just take you through some of the essentials that I would have in my outdoor kitchen. We've got compact thyme here. Here we've got oregano, give rosemary a go, regular basil, and then we've got a Greek basil. One of my absolute favorites for any garden really is rosemary. This has recently been renamed salvia. It's been reclassified, but rosemary is really versatile. This is prostratus, so this is a creeping rosemary. It's brilliant in window boxes, in pots, in the ground, for ground cover. It flowers in winter, that looks really good. It smells amazing. I don't think I've ever cooked potatoes without using rosemary, so whether it's on the grill or in the oven. Also fantastic for gin and tonic, one of my favorite additions to that drink. But yeah, it's bulletproof, so it doesn't matter how useless you think you are with plants or herbs, give rosemary a go. Always keep it growing. Probably, I guess, my second favorite and essential herb is thyme. This is compact thyme. I use it in absolute abundance, particularly on the Grillo Gusto. It's fantastic for putting on the grill, for releasing those aromas and those natural oils, and bringing like a whole new dimension to chicken and like lots of different meats. It just smells incredible as well when you're sat at the table waiting for that food to cook. It really brings a barbecue scenario to life. So this goes a little bit shrubby. Quite often you'll find creeping thyme in the garden centre, so that's good for ground cover, but tends to die right back in the winter. I find that with compact thyme you still get enough foliage through the winter, through a mild winter, to use in the kitchen. This is brilliant for taking a big bunch, putting it over meat or on the grill. So if you've got the heat deflector on in the Gusto and you've got maybe some chicken in there or whatever it is, sausages, just a bunch of compact thyme will absolutely transform it. And if you're sitting next to the barbecue having a drink, or you're with friends or family waiting, the aroma to that is just absolutely insane. It's incredible. Another little tip is that it's great for making a refreshing tea. Apparently the tea is great for a hangover cure. Haven't tested that myself yet, but worth a go perhaps. So staple of my herb garden, certainly for as many months of the year that I can outside, is basil. So in the summer this tastes so different to when you've got it stuck in the windowsill in the winter. It just gives such an incredible aroma. We use it for so many things. So on a tomato salad, basil will just uplift that to a level that's just out of this world. So for pizza, if you've got a Grillo arrangement and you've got a pizza oven, I would definitely say keep some basil on standby. It will give even the plainest pizza the most awesome aroma and finish and taste. It's very easy to grow. So if you take a supermarket basil plant, you can divide it into 3 or 4 plants. So typically what you'll see is you've got about 10 different plants in one pot. You can divide those, just pulling the roots apart gently, pot them up into some fresh compost. Those will really thrive, grow, give you lots more basil than if you just left the original plant in its pot. That will keep you going most of the summer. And worst case scenario, you have too much basil. Can you ever have too much basil? And this one here is Greek basil. So this has a smaller leaf. It's a bit more of an intense flavour. But what I find is really good about Greek basil is because it's got a smaller leaf, when you pick it, it's really good for spreading and for sprinkling on pizzas or salads or cheese. Yeah, it smells absolutely amazing. So another really good one. This one here was bought from the supermarket, divided it into 2 plants, I think, this one. But you can see it's really, really healthy plant. It's got lots to come now, and it looks great. This is a herb that I wasn't really keen on. This is oregano, and for me, it grows at an incredible rate. It can sometimes get out of control, but the more that I've barbecued, the more I know what a useful herb it is. Not only can you use it indoors, but you can use it outdoors. You can dry it for winter, but particularly on the grill and on the barbecue, this is a really good flavour enhancer, and it stands the heat and it stands the test of any grill, whether it's electric or whether it's charcoal. It's a really, really great herb to have. Great with lots of meats, particularly strong flavors, very hardy, very tough. You can pick it, you could walk on it, you can chop it down, you can cut it as much as you want. It's very robust.